How are you? What is your name?
Sergeant Lynch.
Sergeant Lynch. Hi, nice to meet you. I'd like to file a police report, an incident report.
Regarding what?
Denial of access and accommodation, medical services, criminal fraud by having me escorted out by the Sheriff's Department when I wasn't breaking any laws, based on a bogus restraining order from the Department of Public Health.
Okay.
1219.
Not our jurisdiction, so any other thing, you have a police issue or criminal matter we left out?
I'm confused. Me filing a police incident report against the
Regarding
department.
what?
Just what I just finished stating. My law-breaking activity is done by DPH under the color of authority, criminally fraudulently against me by denying me access and accommodation, by denying me health care, by having me escorted out by the Sheriff's Department in lieu of my legal and medical rights, seeking services on 12/19/2012 after having been directed to go there by the Sheriff's Department, in our meeting 11/27. So they broke the law, and I'd like to fill out a report and have them arrested and press charges.
There's no law broken.
I'm sorry, are you a judge to say that? How do you know there was no reserve?
Broken?
What law?
They're administrative, we don't deal with that.
Who does deal with that?
I don't know. To make the complaint with the Department of Public Health.
And when that
Make a
fails,
complaint with
because
the Sheriff's Department.
and when that fails, what about my legal rights to all these medical and legal rights are being averted? I have no legal rights. Is that what you're saying at this point?
You have plenty of legal rights, but this is not your proper recourse. So.
Well, based on what, sir? I'm confused. Am I not supposed to go to the police department to file my grievances when the law's been broken against me? Aren't you there to protect and serve?
What law has been broken against you, sir?
I've been denied medical care. I've been illegally excluded access and accommodation, which are all laws.
What laws?
I just said access and accommodation into public buildings seeking public services. The sheriff escorted me out based on a bogus...
What's your name, sir?
Jason Grant Garza.
Okay. Mr. Garza, are you okay? Do you need any medical assistance?
I don't believe that was the question that was asked. The question that was asked was,
you don't seem to be making too much sense to me.
I don't seem to be making any sense. What is it that doesn't make any sense?
You've been here for a few hours. You've been talking to our station duty personnel, and they've told you several times that they cannot. There's no issue to make a report on. Okay. You've been here before, correct?
I have been here following up on my legal rights, correct.
Okay.
So my issue is still the same.
Are you okay?
Well, I don't know. Am I okay seeking, legal services from my police department who doesn't perform? That's a good question. Am I okay? Is this society valid? Do you do your job? I'm very confused. Please explain to me what I'm doing wrong.
We are not taking a police report from you, sir.
Obviously. Thank you for that. This will be on YouTube just to show how rigged the entire system is. Please let Officer Fatu.
Is there anything else we can help you with?
Yes, please let Officer Fatu know that Lieutenant Fatu, that I'm still here following up on all her dead-end leads and non-viable options that are, of course, set to fail when law enforcement is unaccountable and irresponsible.
Okay.
Thank you, and like I said, we'll continue to follow up. So I cannot file a police report now. You're telling me on the 12/19 incident.
I have not heard any criminal matter that we can help you with, sir. We take police reports on criminal matters.
Thank you. Thank you for your opinion.
How many times have you been here?
That's irrelevant. Thank you for your opinion. I will continue to follow up on my legal rights.
Okay.
Thank you.